If you want to clear up the app cache on your iPhone, it's easy and you don't need to delete those specific apps to be able to clear out all the cache and free up space. Let me show you how it works. The first thing we're going to do here is open up the Settings app on your iPhone. From here, tap on General and then tap on iPhone Storage. This shows you all of the apps that are currently on your iPhone. One easy way to clear the cache is to tap on the app. I usually do this if the documents and data gets large. You can see TikTok is at 500 megabytes. We're going to offload this app and then reinstall it. So by doing this, we are not deleting it. We're still logged into that TikTok app and it won't delete out all of our stuff. However, if you wanted to go an extra step, you can tap on the App Store on your iPhone. Tap on your profile at the top right. And then from here, let's go to personalized recommendations and then just choose clear app usage data. This will help clear out all of the cache for those apps that you don't necessarily need. You can go through this list and help clear them off. I hope that you like this video. If you want to learn more about your iPhone, check out this video over to my right. I think you'll really like that one as well. Thanks.